Hi, in this video, I am going to explain important topics in JavaScript. Data types. JavaScript supports data types differently, such as numbers, strings, booleans, arrays, and objects. Here in the code, I created an object called student. It has properties like name, age, subjects, and whether the student is active. When I print student.name, it shows Neha. See here, it is written in the console.log print statement. Output I will get is name is Neha. So student.name. So see here, it printed Neha in browser. Next one is function. A function is a block of code that performs a specific task. Instead of repeating code, we can write it once and call it whenever needed. And here I made a function called greet that takes a name and returns a greeting message. When I call greet Neha, it prints hello Neha exclamatory mark. And it is written in the console.log print statement. Output is printed here in the browser. Next one is loops. Loops are used to repeat tasks. For example, we can print all subjects in one array using a loop. Here in this code, they show this loop starts from index 0 and runs until the last element. So I equals to 0. I less than subjects dot length. So here they're taking the length. It prints AI, Java, and Python one by one. What I gave in the array, it prints. So it is written in the state print statement like console.log. Output I will get in the browser printed. And next one is conditional statement. Conditional statement is if or else. If or else. And conditional statements let us run different code depending on conditions. Different codes. The most common is if else. If else is the conditional statement. Here we gave the script like let marks equal to 75, marks greater than or equals to 50. If greater than or if greater than or 50, you may pass. Else fail. Here if the marks are 50 or above, it prints you passed. Because if statement we gave one condition, that is console.log printed is you passed. Next else if prints you, suppose the output is you failed, means the marks are less than 50. It is conditional statement. So we printed we output is shown in the browser. Next, arrays. Arrays is nothing but storing multiple values. Storing multiple values in square bracket. Arrays let us store multiple values in a single variable. We can access each value using its index number starting from 0. So index number is starting from 0, next 1, 2, 3. So here in the code we gave fruits apple, banana, mango. So console.log fruits 0 means apple will print. Console.log fruits 2 means mango will print. Here we created an array of fruits. The first element apple is at index 0 and mango is at index 2. So the print statement is console.log. What we have kept in the console.log statement, that is the output. So in array we specify the index. Specify the index based on the array. So here the fruits equal to apple, banana, mango, then fruits 0, 2. And in this entire JavaScript, what we did, we'll see. We saw about data types and functions and loops and conditional statements and arrays. And here last topic, arrays, which index is the most important. And this is all about JavaScript, small JavaScript variables like data type